all for me.
Okay guys, so Jasmine literally ordered everything on the menu just for herself. We got a charcuterie board, some wine, and then we had this little like flatbread pizza this guy recommended us.
Yeah.
So hopefully it's really good, or else we're gonna have a major issue. I'm just kidding. But look how pretty the view is. So pretty out. Got done with lunch. We went to, what's it called? Mitchell's Deli. Mitchell's Deli. I've never been before, but Bo raves about it all the time. So we went and I had a turkey sandwich. It had avocado on it and bean sprouts, tomato. It was really, really good. The bread was phenomenal. And then Bo had an Italian sandwich, I think. The Italian. But it's so nice out, the sun's out and shining, and we're going to Whole Foods, and then we're going to Trader Joe's. West Elm? And West Elm, because I really want to see if they have like cute fall decor. Probably shouldn't buy any more fall decor because I don't have storage for it, but I can't be stopped, so that's what's happening. And I feel like I need coffee at some point, so I need coffee. God, guys, okay, best news ever. So we're driving through Green Hills, and one thing, when I moved here, I was really sad and depressed that there was no Brandy Melville. Like, they had a little small section in the mall at Nordstrom, but it was not all that great. So if you know me, you know Brandy Melville is like my favorite place on the entire planet. And we're driving through where we go grocery shopping all the time, like by Whole Foods, and there's a freaking Brandy Melville, and I nearly had a heart attack. I'm not kidding. I know I sound really dramatic, but like, I don't think you guys really understand how happy this makes me. And I need to know when they opened. I'm wondering, like, have they been open this whole time? And I just had absolutely no idea. I Google it online, nothing comes up for a Brandy Melville over here. So on that note, I'm getting out the car, I'm going to find out, and we're going to Brandy. Yeah. Guys, I just made dinner and I want to show you guys what it is. It's just a ravioli. It's like filled with cheese and then a pumpkin alfredo on top. And this is it. I put pumpkin seeds on it and then some other like shredded, well not shredded, shaved cheese. It looks so good. I'm so excited to try it. Oh, also, we went to Brandy Melville earlier and I forgot to tell you guys, but I bought a couple of things. I'm already wearing it. I got this shirt. It just says Newport Beach and then this really giant jacket, and then I got a pair of earrings and another shirt, which I'll show you guys later. But we're gonna eat dinner and then watch Scary Movie. But we're at Rose Pony. We came here to like shoot some content, and then they have cute little pumpkins on the table, and we're gonna do some stuff with this because it looked really freaking cool. So I'm excited. Chloe understands the photo angles.
Oh, absolutely.
She really
Brooke
does.
gets my best angles.
We try. Guys, I got the pretty pony. It is so freaking good. And Chloe got rosé.
Awesome.
Cheers. Guys, we had a little delay.
We had a big delay.
So the car is freaking out. The engine's a wee bit overheated. Also, I'm very blurry, so I really apologize about that. But we have bigger problems to worry about than that. We're trying to get to my apartment. The car is freaking out. Poor Regina.
We're literally like 2 minutes away from Brooke's house right now.
2 minutes away. Say a prayer for us.
If we blow up.
I'm back home, and me and Chloe had such a nice like little time at Rose Pony. Her poor car though, it had some issues, so she had to get it towed, sadly. So hopefully Regina will be able. Okay, so I bought this clothing rack the other day off of Amazon, and I put it together last night, and I really like it over here. I think it's so cute, but the thing is, I don't know if you guys can tell, it's a little like leaning towards that way. It's just like not sturdy at all. It's really wobbly. It fell over twice last night. So I'm thinking about returning it and getting a different one, but I already put this together and I really don't want to have to put another one together. But I think I might need a better quality one, especially if I want it to last a really long time I just don't want it to fall over in the middle of the night and scare the living daylights out of me. I forgot to show y'all, but these little earrings right here, I don't know if you can see it. I got those yesterday at Brandy. They're just little hearts with like gold on it. And then I got this jacket and this shirt. And then I got a little brown shirt as well. I'll show you guys in just a bit. But yeah. I'm about to go and do a little bit of work on the computer real quick. And oh my gosh, I made Halloween sugar cookies. So excited about that. It's like the little pumpkin ones. I already ate several, but I've got 2 left that I saved for Bo. So he better love me because I really want to eat them. Okay guys, so I really want to try this. This is what I picked up from Trader Joe's. It's just the pumpkin oat beverage. So we're gonna try it out, see if it's good. Also, I'm making dinner right now. I'm making some bowls with like quinoa, black beans, chicken, bell pepper. Should be pretty good. I'm literally gonna pour this into a shot glass. Let's see. Okay, we're about to try this. I feel like it's gonna be super sweet. Wait, it's not super sweet. Wait! This is actually so freaking good. What the heck? I did not think it was gonna taste like this. I thought it was gonna be so sweet, and I don't like super sweet things, but I really wanted to try this because I love oat milk. Guys, go to Trader Joe's, go get you your pumpkin oat, and thank me later. Also, one thing that's really bothering me, like the past couple of weeks, I'm so sick of like petty drama. I don't know, I just feel like the society we live in today, it's just so sad and disturbing. It's quite sickening, if we're being honest. Like, I don't know, it just upsets me so bad, like seeing people be mistreated, and it's just like really bothering me today to the extreme. I know I'm just one person, but if I can make someone smile at least once each day, that's all that matters to me. Like, nothing else matters. I just want other people to be happy, and people don't take mental health stuff seriously, which also just makes me sick in itself. It's like, it's 2021, like we should be taking this stuff very seriously. And I don't know, it's something that I want to do. It's something I want to bring awareness to, and I'm sick of hearing about people getting bullied or mistreated, and it's just stupid stuff. And it's so small stuff too. It like makes no sense to me. It blows my mind. But I don't like that, and I don't stand for that, and it's disgusting. So that is my rant on that. Good morning, guys. It's now Tuesday. I'm just about to head out and run to the office. I have to film some content today, and then I'm gonna come home and edit. I might try to swing by the mall on my way home to pick up a few things, so we'll see. But I'm just in a very casual look today. I have on my white Vans, my Lululemon shorts, cropped little top from Princess Polly, and then my Brandy jacket that I've worn every day since I've bought it thus far. So yeah. Anywho, we're about to head out. I have to go and get some work done. So let's go. Hi guys, excuse my disgustingly messy room. Don't look at that right now. But I wanted to show you guys my outfit real quick. We're having a little dinner for Kittenish tonight. So this is just what I am wearing. Some black boots, this little black skirt. It kind of ties like in the front right here, like crosses. And then I have on this cute little corset top from Love & Lemons, and this little blue thingy, I don't know what to call it, from Zara. And then I have a little shoulder bag as well, and then my cute little bag from Shoe Dazzle. So we're just about to head out, and I'm so excited. It's gonna be so much fun. Okay, I'm in the car, but I wanted to show you guys, I made the cutest little flower arrangements back there. I'll have to show you once I get there and set it all up. We're surprising all of the girls and stuff with like, by like decorating the table, making it all cute, and they have no idea. So we're going early to set up. I don't know if you can hear me, but it looks so cute. I am cute. Hi! Everyone's here! Hey! Hey! I want to be famous. Did you guys not get that? No, I got that. No one just got it. cosmetology.
Remember how the hater cut me today?
And then I got this like tequila drink, and Chloe got the same thing. Watermelon Jolly Rancher. Yeah. Ginger's like so bougie. She has a full-on flight, guys. A full-on flight. I take you home.